Hi, Rob here from Hand Tools UK. Today we're going to demonstrate to you the Rapid R28 cable tacker and the Rapid R36 cable tacker. Okay, so first up we're going to have a look at the R28 tacker. This is for securing cable of up to 4.5mm wide and up to 50 volts, so low voltage cable. Now the R28 is bottom loading, so to load a tacker you need to depress this lever and pull out the barrel. Then you can drop your staples into the tacker, push the barrel back in, and you're ready to go. Now, there is a power meter here. You can either go with minimum or maximum, and in this occasion we're going to keep with minimum because we're going into wood, but if you were going into a harder material then you can switch to maximum just like that, or switch back to minimum. Now, you'll notice that the guide here has got an angle on it. That is so that you can go into a tight spot like this, a 90-degree angled tack, like so. So, you take your cable, secure it along a 90-degree angle, then making sure that the U on the guide is over the top of the cable, and that the cable tacker is at a 45-degree angle, keeping pressure at the top to make sure that the staple goes in. Squeeze down the lever and that will fire the staple in. So that's pretty secure, that's not going anywhere. So what we've used there is the galvanised steel staple. However, if you're tacking onto white wood and you have white cable and you don't want the staples to show, then you can use the white line, which is essentially a white coated galvanised steel staple that is invisible when tacked onto white wood with a white cable. Again, same proposition, put it at a 45-degree angle and squeeze off the trigger for your white cable staples. Now the staples for the R28, it will take 9, 10 and 11mm. At Hand Tools we just stock the 10mm tacking staples in either galvanised steel or white finished galvanised steel. And that's the R28. Okay, so next up is the R36. This is essentially the big brother to the R28 and is for slightly wider cable and is slightly more powerful. The R36 will take tack down cable up to 6mm wide, again up to 50 volts in power. It takes down cables such as coaxial cable and the like. Now again, bottom loading, depress the lever, pull out the barrel, drop your cable staples into the barrel, put it back in. Power meter again, minimum, maximum. We're going to stay on minimum because we're only going into wood, but this is a powerful tacker, so if you put it on maximum it will go into hard material, and you can use either a 10, 12 or 14mm cable staple. Okay, so like the R28, it is angled. Now you can tack along in a straight line on a flat, or you can go along a 90-degree angle such as this. So I'm going to demonstrate how it works. Put the U over the top of the cable, press the lever, keeping the pressure on the end of the tacker, squeeze it off. And there you have a very solid grip that's not going anywhere, and that is the R36.